So, welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel. Another day and another Honda video, and this time we're doing an oil change, filters, air filter and oil filter. Now, early this morning, I put some of this engine flush stuff in, Wins. I shall link that in the description below. I've done a couple of school runs. This says to have the engine up to temperature, run it for about 20 minutes, something like that, which is what I've done. So I shall get the car up on ramps and then we'll see what this entails. One of those pesky plastic under engine things on this one. So we've got the oil filter there, which has got a bit of a drip on it from somewhere. So that's interesting. And then the plug is there on that side. So being up on these ramps is perfect, everything will flow that way. I'm just going to get something to protect the drive, just in case I miss. And we'll crack on. I'm not sure how easy that's going to be to undo from there. Could be tricky, that one. So it is a 17. I'm going to put a glove on. For once in my life, these things always tend to break, but we'll put one on, so hopefully we won't get covered in. Look, I never get the buggers on. I generally just use barrier cream and then wash it off. But... Right, okay, we've got the spout aiming uphill. Right, let's go there somewhere. Try and get my hand out the way. I've got a new washer for this as well when it goes back on. Right, here we go. You ready? No? Yes. Ooh, that was close. Look at that. Right. Even caught the plug. Right. Well, that's draining. Let's see if we can get this oil filter undone. Right, I've cleaned it off. See, I'm not sure I'd get anything in there tool-wise to turn it. God, get up. Jeez, I'll have a look what I've got. It might be whack a screwdriver through it. Right, okay, we had to go a bit old school there. I had to knock a screwdriver through it because I just couldn't get on it. But worked an absolute treat. It's not good for keeping things clean though. Come on, if you can. Right, there we go. Borg back in your pop. You can go in there too. Put that down there. Right. Some plug washer on. Then we can put that back in. Filter on. We'll fill her up with oil. Drop that in the oil. Alright, that'll do. Little filter from JR. Looking good. A bit of oil around there just to help it seat. I think it looks like that oil filter was actually leaking. I wonder how long that's been on there for. Because there's no oil dripping from above it to drip down onto it. That's interesting. So okay, that's on. Right, clear all this away and pop some oil in the top. Right, I found it really tricky to find how much oil was meant to go in here. All I could find was like American measurements in quarts, whatever the hell they are. So I'm going to put 3 litres in, back it up off the ramps, get it level, then we'll change the oil, the air filter, and then check the oil again. Do you like my homemade, what's it called? Funnel. Ha, it even screws in there almost. Right, let's put some oil in there. And then I'm also going to put in some Windsor Supercharged oil treatment. We are using a 5W30. Right then. Don't fall over funnel. Oh, look at that, perfect. Right, that's enough of that for a moment. That's about a couple of litres we've put in. Right, now we put our can of Red Bull in. Ooh, that is gloopy, brother. Look at that. Yeah, boy. Ooh. It's like maple syrup. Really want to put my finger in it now. But let's not do that. So on the internet it said like 4.4 quarts, but I couldn't decide whether that was for a diesel or the American 2.4, whatever. Right, so we put 3 litres of that in. I think 4.4 quarts is like just over 4 litres or something. Oil filter back on. Sump plug back in. Come on. Out you come. You're alright. Put that back on. Sweet. Let's get it off the ramps. Okay, so this is the air filter, the new one. And this is the air box. So, I wonder if I have to take that off as well. Let's have a look. It's got these little, handy little clips everywhere. Around the back there. Must be some down there somewhere. No, can't feel any. Can't feel any around there. Is that it? Yeah, well, I can see enough of it, I reckon. Yeah, so it's been in there a bit. Let's see if it matches what I've got. Grab this. There we go. Perfect. Right, ooh, there's a bit of a leaf in there. Won't become mate. There we go. Well, that couldn't have been easier, could it? I'll get that one back on, we'll call it a win. Right, oh, quite excellent. So that's it from the Dadskillz car channel today. That's another jobbed on the old Honda CRV. I've taken off the ramps now, and now it's been on the level for a bit. I've checked and topped up the oil again. I will keep checking over the next couple of days, make sure it's okay. And I will also check for any leaks that might be coming from anywhere. But I think we're going to be okay. Join me next time, hopefully, when we'll be changing the radio in it. That'll be a good one. Until the next time, I will see you again. Goodbye.